How to install solar CCTV camera V380 products. This is the solar, you can see. This is the memory card, and this is the camera. So now go to your Play Store. This is your phone. Go to your Play Store. Let me say back. This is it. Go to your Play Store. Look for Play Store. Play Store. This is it. Play Store. So come here. Press search and press V380 Pro. Okay, sorry, I don't want my data. Let me on my data. V3 Pro. This is it. V3 Pro. I'll download mine. Then this is it. Open. So for you that don't have account, so you just press the register. Then always click here, this arrow for region. For the region side, just hold on. You see, just press Africa, then enter your email. The email, after the email is going to send a verification to your Gmail. Go and check it and do the necessary step, because me, I've registered, so I can't go through it again. So then press login. Let me log in my details. Sorry. So I've logged in. This is mine. Then come to this add drive. But before you go there, before you add the drive, come to the solar CCTV and come here, open here. This is the memory card spot, and inside here is the SIM card spot. So for you to install, this is the SIM I want to use, hotel. For you to install, just gently, let me bring the gently. This is how it's going to enter. Here, this is the spot. Have you see? Then enter. Because I don't have name, just so the SIM is in. Can you see? So then you put the memory card there. Then just like this, and come here. This is on, just on like this, on it, and this is it. Now is already working, but no signal. Yes, this is now, the SIM is working perfectly now. So then come to your phone. Let me open my phone and come to this plus sign. Allow. So you are scanning. What are you scanning? You are scanning this QR, this code. This is what you are scanning. Just place it on your phone to the center. Have you see? Then add. But sometimes some cameras, you can see, just name it. I want to name it home drive, then view. I don't need, I can, if you want to share with any other person, you can save the QR code to your phone, then allowed. So you just press honest. So then go back. So this is it. It's already working perfectly. Have you seen? Oh, don't let me show you my house. Okay, that's it perfectly. So because there's no memory card there, you cannot record, you cannot save for me. So you come to this PTZ. This is where you can rotate. Can you see? You can rotate. Have you seen? You can see. Have you seen? So, but for you that want it to be working, to be moving 360, just come. Okay, let me go back. Sorry. So okay, then come here, more. Press this more and come to this motion track. On the motion track, then you can close it back. So the motion track, look at it. It's going to, this is a motion track. Immediately signal. It signals something. Can you see? It signal my hand. It's going to be following. Can you see? Can you see? It's trying to trace me back. Have you seen? Can you see? That's how it works. Have you seen? This is how you can, if you signal someone and you want to speak to that person. Hello, let me give you access. Hello. Because it's closed, that's why it's giving that sound. So that is all that you need to know. Bye.